Hello everyone, welcome to Josh Max channel. In this video, we are going to see for CBSE Maths Grade 12 Standard, Chapter 12, Linear Programming in Exercise 12.1, second sum. So here, the given question is solve the following linear programming problem graphically. So we need to draw the graph of it. And what is the given question? Minimize Z equal to 1. Z equation is given and subject to some constraints we have. So totally 4 inequalities we have. So what we are going to do is using that 4 inequalities, okay, we are going to identify whether the given Z is a feasible solution available or not. We are going to check. Then if it is feasible, whether it's a bounded or not, we are going to see. If it is bounded or unbounded, we are going to identify the corner points, and those corner points we are going to substitute in the given Z to identify the minimum value. Okay, so step by step, let's start doing this. So in a graph, okay, in a graph basically we have to identify the solution for x plus 2y less than or equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, then x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, right? So basically we need to identify the solution for the given constraints, that is these inequalities, and it should be like a common solution we have to identify at the end. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the given inequality, to draw the line of this particular solution, we have to take the help of the line of x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay, so the given inequality I am going to consider as a equation now to draw the line in the graph. So x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay, to draw the line we need minimum 2 points. So what I am going to do is 2 coordinate points I am going to identify which satisfies this particular equation. If x equal to 0, okay, if x equal to 0, 2y equal to 8, then 2y equal to 8, y equal to 2 ones are 2 4 times. So if x is 0, the y value is 4. Okay, if y equal to 0, what will be the x value? X will be 8. Okay, now let's draw it in a graph. The straight line, let's draw it in a graph. And we know that. So you can see that last two inequalities, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. That means our common solution is going to be in the first quadrant only. Okay, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. It is common solution only in the first quadrant. So I'm going to give more space for the first quadrant. Let's plot it in the x-axis. So uniform space should be given. If you're drawing in a proper graph, no need to worry. Same uniform space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's enough, I guess. Okay, so what is the point? We have 0, 8. X is x value, sorry, 0, 4. If x is 0, y value 4. Where do we have? Here 0, 4 point. Here we have. Okay, and then 8, 0. 8, 0 we have here. The points also I'll write it. This point is 8, 0 and this point is 0, 4. Now joining these 2 points, what we will get? We'll get a straight line. So this line is what? What is the line equation? This is the line of x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay, after drawing this line, okay, so the graph is dividing into 2 portions, above this line and below this line. So now for the given inequality, where do we have the solution? Okay, whether it's above the line or below the line, we have to identify. For that, what we are going to do is any point which lies in this particular portion. Okay, here in this particular portion, the above the line, take randomly one point and substitute in the given inequality. Okay, suppose let me take 8, 1. 8, 1 we have above this line, right? If I replace 8, 1 in place of x and y value, so 8 plus 2 times of 1, what is the value that we are getting, which is 10? Is it 10 is less than or equal to 8? Is it 10 is less than or equal to 8? Is that condition satisfying? No. So that means we can identify the solution for the given inequality is not lies in this portion. That means we have solution only this side. That too we can confirm. Let me take any value which lies this side. Here or in a third quadrant, any value which lies this side of the graph we have to take. So the easy point 0, 0 shall we take? So 0, 0 when we substitute in place of x and y, what we will get? 0 plus 2 times of 0, which is 0. Is it 0 is less than or equal to 8? Is that condition satisfying? Yes. 0 is less than 8 only. No. Condition is getting satisfied. So along with the straight line, okay, the solution for the given inequality is along with the straight line. Solution lies this side. So for the first inequality, we have solution this side. Okay. Now, same way we are going to identify the solution for the second inequality. So for that, what we need to do first? First, we have to convert the given inequality into equation. So 3x plus 2y equal to 12. To draw the line of 3x plus 2y equal to 12, minimum 2 points are required. So if x equal to 0, okay, if x equal to 0, if I replace in this equation, what will be the y value? 2y equal to 12. 2 ones are 2 6 times, so 6. Okay, if y equal to 0, what will be the x value that we will get? 3x equal to 12. 3 ones are 3 4 times, so x gives you 4. Okay, now let's plot these 2 points in the graph. So 0, 6. So where x will be 0 on y axis, no? So 0, 6. So 0, 6 we will have here. This point is 0, 6. And what is the next point? 4, 0. 4, 0 we will have here. Okay. Now I am going to join these 2 points now. So on joining, we are getting a straight line, no? So what is the equation of this particular line? 3x plus 2y equal to 12. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So after drawing the line of 3x plus 2y equal to 12, forget about the previous one. Okay. So after drawing this particular yellow line, you can see the graph is dividing into 2 portions again. Okay. So one is above this side and the other one is below this side. Now we have to identify where the solution lies for the given inequality. 3x plus 2y. Solution space we have to identify. 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Where do we have a solution for it? Okay. So above this yellow line or below this yellow line. So to identify that, randomly take one point. Okay. So let's take any point which lies this side of the graph. So which point we can take? Shall we take 6, 2? Okay. 6, 2 I will take, and I'm going to substitute in this inequality. Okay. So 6, 2 point. So x is 6 and y is 2. So 3 times of 6 plus 2 times of 2. So what value we are getting? 18, and here 4. So that means 22. Is it 22 less than or equal to 12? Is it true? Obviously not. So that means our solution space, we don't have this side. Then obviously this side, but that too let's test it. Let's take 1, 1. Okay, let us take 1, 1. Any point is fine. 0, 0, 1, 1, anything. So if 1, 1, if I take 3 times of 1 plus 2 times of 1, what is the answer for this? 3 plus 2, which is 5. Is that 5 is less than or equal to 12? Which is true. The condition is satisfying. That means you take any value which lies this side, that particular point satisfies the condition. So what we can conclude from this is the solution we have this side. For the second inequality, we have solution this side. Okay, done. Now third inequality. What is the third one? X greater than or equal to 0. That means let's convert as an equation, like how we have done for the first two, the same. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 line is what? Basically it is y axis. Only on y axis x coordinates will be 0, right? So this particular line is Okay, I'll use the other color. Okay, this particular line is x equal to 0 line. Okay, according to the given inequality, x greater than or equal to 0. So this blue line, this y-axis line dividing the graph into two portions. One is right side, the other one is left side. Now, where do we have a solution for the x greater than or equal to 0 is first quadrant and this fourth quadrant. Only this side only we have greater values of the x. Okay, so this side x values will be smaller. So for x greater than or equal to 0, you have a solution first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So just keep in your mind, first quadrant and fourth quadrant is the solution space for the third inequality. Y greater than or equal to 0 is what? It is the line of x-axis. So this one is what? Y equal to 0 line. And what is the given inequality? Y greater than or equal to 0. That means above the x-axis is a solution. So first quadrant and second quadrant is the solution for the last inequality. Okay. See, just remember, x greater than or equal to 0 means we have a solution this side. I'll undo this again. Okay. We have a solution this side. Y greater than or equal to 0 means we have a solution this side. First quadrant and second quadrant. This is how we have. Now, for all the four inequalities, do you identify the common solution? Is it feasible region? Common solution, basically feasible region. For all the four inequalities, yes, we have a feasible region. So you can see double shaded here, this particular portion. I'll just highlight it and show it to you. So you can notice that this particular small portion, which is made up of only the straight lines, okay? Yeah, this part, this particular portion, okay, this particular portion is the common solution for the all four inequalities. Okay, so this particular portion is what? Common solution for the all the four inequalities. Okay, so since common solution exists, we can say feasible region exists for the given z. Okay, so let's identify, let's name the corner points now. Okay, so corner points are what? Since it's a bounded, wherever the two lines joining, no, that is the corner point. So here 0 comma 4 is the one of the corner point, 0 comma 4 the other corner point, and this corner point we don't know. With the, when we have drawn with the proper graph, yes, we can identify. If we don't know to identify, what you can do is, this particular point is what? A point is the line joining of 3x plus 2y equal to 12 and x plus 2y equal to 8, right? On solving that also we can identify this common point. Okay, so this is the common point for the these two lines, right? 3x plus 2y equal to 12 line and x plus 2y equal to 8 line. So on solving that also we can able to get. So let's see, roughly I'll solve it. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, first let me eliminate the y value, changing the sign, minus 2x and minus 4. X equal to 2 we are getting. Okay, so what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is 2. Now substituting x as a 2 in the any one of the equation to get the y value. If I replace x as a 2, then y value will be 8 minus 2, 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3. So I just plotted the values accurately only. So 2 comma 3. In case if you have a self doubt, you can solve it and you can get it. Okay, accurate corner points you will get it in these cases. Okay, so other corner point is 2 comma 3 and the other one is 4 comma 0. Okay, we have a 4 corner points now. Okay, now let's write the solution for this. Feasible for the given z, for the given z, feasible region exist. The feasible region, shall we name it? This one like O, A, B, C. Let's name it. So O, A, B, C, O, A, that is O, A, B, C, O, A, O, A, B, C, O. So it's closed, no. If you want, we can name it. Is the feasible region. Also, it is bounded. It is bounded. Corner points are O is 0, 0. What is the corner point of the A? A is 0, 4. Corner point of B is 2, 3. Corner point of C is 4, 0. Okay. The question is demanding us to identify minimum value of the Z. So these corner points we are going to substitute in the given Z. Corner points Z equal to, what is the Z is minus 3x plus 4y. So what is the Z? Minus 3x plus 4y. So corner point 0, 0, 0, 4, 2, 3, 4, 0. Let's substitute one by one. If you replace 0, now what is the Z value that we'll get? If x is 0, y is 0, we'll get the Z value as a 0. If x is 0, Z value you'll get it as a 16. Minus 3 times of 0 plus 4 times of 4, which is 16. Okay. 2, 3 if you replace. Minus 3 of 2 plus 4 times of 3. Minus 6 plus 12. So which is positive 6. Okay. Next 4, 0 if you replace. Minus 3 of 4 plus 4 times of 0. Minus 12 plus 0, which is minus 12. So minus 12 we are getting. Okay. So now out of these four values, which is the least value? The negative one. Okay. Minus 12 is the minimum. Therefore, the minimum value of the Z is minimum value of Z is minus 12 at what point? 4, 0. That's all the solution. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Thank you.